Hello class 10 students, welcome back to my channel Learn with Ease. According to me, the chapter Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom is the most important chapter in first flight. There are so many things that we can learn from the chapter. There are so many highlights and segments of the chapter to make it easier for you and for quick reference, understanding and remembrance. I have divided the chapter into 8 parts. Each part is a highlight. So altogether the video has 8 highlights. So let's get started. Highlight number 1 is Introduction to Nelson Mandela. The excerpt introduces Nelson Mandela, the first black president of South Africa, and highlights his role in ending apartheid. He describes his journey from being an ordinary man to becoming a symbol of freedom and leadership. Highlight number 2. The inauguration ceremony that was held on 10th May 1994. Mandela recalls the historic day of his inauguration as president, marking the end of apartheid and the beginning of a democratic South Africa. Leaders from around the world gathered to witness the moment. The ceremony took place at the Union Buildings in Pretoria, symbolizing unity and peace. Highlight number 3. The importance of freedom. Mandela emphasizes the sacrifices made by countless individuals in the fight against racial oppression. He reflects on the meaning of true freedom, not just for himself, but for his people and the nation. Freedom for Mandela includes freedom from oppression, poverty and discrimination. Highlight number 4. Acknowledgement of the struggle. Mandela pays tribute to the unsung heroes of the anti-apartheid movement who sacrificed their lives for the cause of equality. He expresses gratitude for their courage and determination. Highlight number 5. A lesson on human goodness. Mandela believes that no one is born hating others based on race or skin color. Hatred is learned, and so is love. He highlights the capacity for human beings to exhibit compassion and goodness. Highlight number 6. The twin responsibilities. Mandela discusses the responsibilities every person has, one toward their family and another toward their community. Under apartheid, fulfilling these responsibilities was a challenge for black South Africans. Highlight number 7. The real meaning of courage. Courage, according to Mandela, is not the absence of fear but the triumph over it. He learned his lesson during his long struggle for freedom. Highlight number 8. Unity and nation building. Mandela stresses the importance of reconciliation and nation building in post-apartheid South Africa. He envisions a country where people of all races live together in harmony and equality.